Choose your kitchen and wardrobe colors with Saint Gobain in 2024.
You can now transform your space with just a touch of color with SGG Color Max Glass, which was newly launched by Saint Gobain. During my visit to BuildHQ, I was blown away by the possibilities offered by this glass. With over 500 colors now, you can choose a shade that resembles your personality. It's durable, scratch resistant, and absolutely stunning. Whether it's for your home or your workspace, it brings a tint of color to your space. This color glass, you can now replace your laminates in the shades you love, and they are also available in toughened glasses. Along with this color glass, my favorite one is the new combination of mirror glass and lacquer glass in your bathroom space, which gives you a luxurious look. The mirror glass is available in two stunning shades, one in mirror gold and another in mirror rose gold, which offers a glittery look to your spaces. If you are tired of tile backsplashes that needs a lot of care, try mirror glass instead. It's a tempered glass that looks great and it's easier to maintain in your kitchen. There's more you can do with these decorative options, like you can print any customized designs or image on this glass or choose from their readily available designs. Don't just take my word for it, see for yourself.
Head to Saint Gobain at BuildHQ today and follow me for more such trending material.